I am before you today to discuss on the topic brush up your skills to excel in future workplace or brush up these skills to excel in future workplace. The days so far whatever have gone. Now today there will be lot of changes. Atmosphere is changing, environmental is changing. We are going to see a lot of changes and requirement in the industrial world as well as in the social world. According to the World Economic Foundation, the world is now sitting on the cusp of a fourth industrial revolution. The first industrial revolution, that is in 1784, was characterized by mechanization. Followed by it, the second revolution, that is 1879, by the advent of electricity, mass production and the division of the labor. The third revolution, that is in 1969, by advances in the field of electronics and IT. And now the fourth industrial revolution will be marked by the fusion of different technologies like genetics, robotics, nanotechnology, 3D printing and biotech to create a world that is more integrated than ever before. The forementioned skills will be necessary to operate in such an environment. Hence, one must be ready for the new challenges henceforth. Here is a look of top skills that will be in demand now onwards, or make it your mission to acquire, sharpen, work on these skills. Number one, complex problem solving. Today, everywhere in any employment or the situation, lot of times and innumerable times we come across complex problem situations, and therefore complex problem solving is important skill. Are you plotting how innovative energy technologies can merge into existing systems, or new medicines, treatments, health and screening technologies can impact current processes? Today you are all seeing lot of research and innovations, etc. Those are just a few examples of how complex problem solving works. To put it simply, it is using analysis to make decisions and implement solutions. This is where the complex problem solving is required. While this skill has topped the list across the last decade, the demand will vary across sectors. Whereas it will shrink in segments like infrastructure and energy due to greater automation, it will escalate in others like professional services and information and communication technologies for the same reason. So that is how one must try to equip and sharpen the skill of complex problem on and often. The next one is critical thinking. The objective of analysis and evaluation of an issue in order to form a judgment is critical thinking. The ability to use logic and reasoning to evaluate situations progressively more important in the next few years. Though it is a skill that has always been considered essential, increased complexity and a sophistication of business in the coming years will mean more and more employers will be looking for critical thinking abilities in the candidates they interview. Therefore, it is imperative need that the modern generation or the middle management and senior people, whenever they go for interview or whenever they prepare for leadership positions, they must give a thought for critical thinking, and they should brush up and sharpen their mind and abilities. The next skill we can see is creativity. Creativity is the tendency to generate or recognize ideas, alternative or possibilities that may be useful in solving problems, communicating with others. The use of imagination or original ideas to create something inventiveness is creativity. It is always said, oh, it is something creative, That is how, in particularly in digital technologies, okay, in IT technologies, in various advertisements, whatever we see, a lot of creativity we see. And this is one of the aspects that one should develop. The importance of creativity will transcend fields where they have traditionally been dominant, like media and entertainment, and felt across different sectors. Particularly in media, we used to see a lot. That is why it reminds me, Albert Einstein said, creativity is contagious, pass it on. Employers will want to hire creative employees because they are the ones who will come up with ideas, big and small, to grow company. And out of the box thinkers, those who come up with ways to apply the new technology and create new products and services will be in demand. Friends, today you will all understand, because of the ban of various Chinese apps and other aspects, today creativity plays a very, very important role. Particularly the youngsters, starts up, they have to come out with creative ideas and creative generation, creative bank. That is all it is happening. So the creativity is the need of the hour, and that is going to gain a top priority. Another important skill for the development and future demand, of course it is all the time demand, but particularly in future it may be more because of the change in generations, that is people management. What is people management? It is a set of practices which encompass end-to-end process of talent acquisition, its optimization, retention, while providing continuous support to business and guidance to all its employees, is people management. Are you a people person? If you want to succeed, you better be. People skills in a nutshell are attributes and competencies that allow one-to-one play well with others. So this is what one has to manage, and they have to develop good people management skills. Good communicators, people with empathy and right tone and body language score high on this count. That is why always one should harp upon these things, and they should always check, recheck, and they revisit about people management skills in coming days. Another factor is coordinating with others. Of course, this is one of the important functions of the management when we talk about the functions of the management. Coordinating with others, we will learn about different systems of motivational values that guide our and behaviors of others. The report defines this skill as adjusting actions in relation to others' action. That's what exactly the coordination. Otherwise, there may be no coordination and it may break. In other words, flexibility of approach in relation to your co-workers. This is what very, very important. One should be flexible for coordinating with others in their coming days and in the workplace areas. Next important skill is emotional intelligence, or EQ, what we say. Emotional intelligence, or EI, is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of the people around you. This is what very, very important. One must know their emotions, and also they should know the emotions of others. Thereby, they have to act and proceed further. People with a high degree of emotional intelligence know what they are feeling, what their emotions mean, and how these emotions can affect other people. This is what very, very important. Once people understand this thing, once they are thorough about all these aspects, and once they have the inclination about all these aspects, then I think they can do very well, and then they will be successful and their lead will be better. A new entrant on the list, but one ranks fairly high on the priority list. Those high on emotional intelligence can help diffuse stress and conflict and enhance the communication to achieve maximum effectiveness at the work. This is the advantage of having emotional intelligence ability. The link between greater emotional intelligence, that is EQ, and higher productivity has been proved. EQ will remain among the top skills for employees. Of course, though it is a psychological subject, but it is a part and parcel of every human being, including us. Therefore, it is a necessary and a dire need to understand, go through the literature, try to get grip on this. Will help for build up your skills to excel in future workplace. The next skill we can see is judgment and decision making. Do you think on your feet? Are you willing to be held accountable? Can you be relied on to choose between possible solutions to a problem instead of sitting on the fence? If the answer to all the above is yes, you are ready to work in immediate future. So therefore, judgment and decision making skill also one has to master and study and acquire. For decision making, one has to gather all the informations, data assimilation, their analytics, some kind of research mind. All this will enable them for good decision making, and thereby they can come to the judgment. Another important skill is service orientation. So this also plays very, very important, that differentiates the person between person, liking and disliking about the leader, manager, or the entrepreneur. A helpful attitude will take you to the places in future. World Economic Foundation forecasts that service orientation, defined as actively looking for ways to help people, will become an important core skill in the future. In other words, to make it very simple to understand, we can say Seva attitude or Seva Manobhavane. That is what very, very important. One should not be selfish. Okay, there should be service orientation. Then they will attract the people like a honeybee, and their work will be successful, and they may go further. Next skill is on negotiation. The art of negotiation may have moved down the scale of priorities, but it has not lost its utility. Negotiation plays important role in all the aspects, particularly the supply chain people who are all in the market, people who are all in the business. Okay, negotiation plays a very, very important, because one should not accept whatever that comes. So therefore, one should have the knowledge, what are all the skills, what are all the steps, what are all the theories, what are all the implications of negotiation, win-win situation. So in negotiation, one has to understand, study, and gain a mastery and grip over this one. The ability to reconcile difference between people and bring them together will still be a prized talent. So that is what the negotiation skill will be there. Therefore, in negotiation agreement, skills, communication, tactfulness, contract, collaboration, goal, all these are very important. Therefore, one should have the skill of negotiation. The final skill which plays an important role in coming future workplace is cognitive flexibility. Cognitive flexibility is the mental ability to switch between thinking about two different concepts and to think about multiple concepts simultaneously. Cognitive flexibility is usually described as one of the executive functions. So this is also cognitive flexibility is important aspect. In other words, it implies the ability to use different sets of rules or combine different processes to get the results what you want. The ability to mix and match ideas, systems, processes, materials and data to create a new products or idea is going to be a sought after the skill in future. So therefore, friends, this cognitive flexibility is also very, very important, and I hope everybody will agree, if at all one has to be successful, either the leader or the manager Okay, one should be flexible in their approach, thereby they can go to the path of success. Thus, according to the World Economic Forum, these are all the top skills that you will require now onwards. Therefore, there is a need to brush up skills to excel in future workplace. Friends, once again to sum up and summarize the skills that one need for the future workplace and that one has to acquire, sharpen and gain ability on complex problem solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, coordinating with others, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, service orientation, negotiation and cognitive ability. So therefore, friends, everybody, all those who wants to really become successful, they want to lead, have to understand more and more about on these and other aspects, and they should get equipped. For more information on all these subjects, we conduct various training programs on managerial and supervisory skills and competencies as in-house as well as open house. For all these sessions, view the managerial session photograph and contact details in the next slides. Friends, the contents whatever I have shown is in a brief. So these are all the skills one has to master in coming and future days on workplace, and these are the skills that one has to look out, and employers may also look at these things. Therefore, get equipped, get prepared and go ahead with this. And with this, I wish you all the best. Friends, if you like these contents, don't forget to subscribe our HR Resonance channel and also forward to all your friends. For if you want any more details, if at all, you contact me. This is my address and website. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best and success in your future.